Good morning, everyone. Sun came out. I think it's supposed to rain maybe later today, though. I've had a lot of action at the feeder this morning. And I've got the bird bath over here. It's a lot more sturdy right there at the end of the driveway. There's one of the bluebirds. They're scared to come over here for some reason. Hope everybody's doing good today. Here's one of my little friends. There's been some of the prettiest little black and white birds. They got black on their head and then their white pattern, black and white pattern on them. They're just awesome little birds. There was 3 of them here earlier. I'm gonna have to set up the bird cam, and I also need to do a garden update. I stay busy, y'all. I guess you notice. I try to stay active. It's gonna help me. The more I can get up and around, help my circulation. My feet have got to where they were tingly, and numb, but I'm not diabetic. And they said it was because of my blood level being so low. But it's slowly building up. I didn't realize how slow it would be for you to get your blood level back up. Because mine had got down to 5.1 when I ended up in the hospital and about died. And it's supposed to be like 15. I can't remember how much mine was last time I checked. I think 10, maybe. And that takes a long time to build back up. Those doves are right up there on the power lines or whatever they are. I have not seen the hawks. And I care for the hawks just as much as I do any bird or any of God's creatures. I don't have any bad feelings or anything towards them. They're doing what God intended for them to do. So, it just, you can see what happens though when they're here. The other birds are afraid. There's no, I mean, the ones that are attacking them are probably because it was coming near their nest or got something. But that's what they do. But I haven't seen them. They may have moved on for a while. You know, they got an awful big range because they can fly, you know. So, if they're here, you know, I like to get some footage of them. I'd like to be able to get a closer look at them too, but I can't zoom in with this. Here's another bluebird they sit over here on the light pole. I don't understand why they won't come to the feeder. Come over and get some free food. Well, I'm not going to make this real long because I've got some other things to do. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. The birds are all happy this morning and they're definitely hungry. So here's one of our friends over here on the rock waiting for me to go in. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. Please press like, subscribe if you hadn't already, and hit that notification bell so that you get all my videos as soon as they come out. I'll see y'all later on. Bye-bye.